Sorry, I'm not sorry. It's your girl Ari, and today I have May with me. Hi. It's my cancer twin, Adrian.
And Naisha, back at you with a snack crate.
So, without further ado,
I'm hungry.
sorry, I'm not sorry. You're sorry. And today I have a special guest with me. It's my cancer twin, Adrian.
How's it going?
Today we have a new snack crate, and I just want to say thank you all for watching, subscribing, and liking. Without further ado,
I'm hungry.
Canada! Yes! Since you're my guest, you want to pick a fun fact?
Canada is the most educated country. Over half of its residents have degrees. Way to go.
Hey.
You can teach the U.S. something.
And this is the next important thing. Right here is my sticker. Thank you. I love this sticker too, the Canadian.
The paper's cute.
We're getting filled up here, guys. I'm ready. You ready?
What's that?
Asin.
Hey, I can't pronounce that. You gotta have a degree to pronounce that.
Here you go, you first.
Can we smell them?
Mm-hmm. Vinegary.
Yeah.
I smell vinegar. This is gonna be weird. And
Smells like salt and vinegar chips.
it says all dressed. It's all dressed, so. I like these.
With some good flavor.
Mm-hmm.
You taste the salt. You taste the vinegar.
It's just enough.
Then it's got some tomato stuff behind it.
Yeah. All right. You pick one.
So we're going to do the green Golios barbecue.
Golios.
Welcome.
See, I'm not the only one that struggles.
Oh, they're cute looking little rings.
Well, these are small.
Real small.
I bet when they were kids, they were like, will you marry me?
Put them on their fingers. Like, yeah. Bugle chips.
Yeah.
They really ain't got no flavor. No, it does. It sneaks up.
I don't know what it tastes like. I don't have anything to compare it to. This is not okay.
Thank you, next.
Okay.
Maybe we should get some candy.
Yeah, let's do something better.
Menu. Ooh.
I like peach.
Fuzzy peach. We're going to do a drink challenge.
We should. I'm gonna eat this all night.
Definitely chewy. They have good peach flavor.
This is amazing. They're better than the peach rings that we have.
Oh, God. Those are nasty.
10 out of 10 on that.
Definitely have to soak those in some vodka. Are you thirsty?
Oh my gosh, look at him. We just throwing stuff around my box.
Yes, we thirsty now.
Oh, they got crushed.
Cream soda. Oh, don't have no flavors.
It's cream soda.
Oh, that's a pretty pink. That's like a toxic pink. What else? Oh, that smells like straight up diabetes.
Yes, it does. I don't like it at all. Just kidding. No, I do. It hit me after a second.
That tastes like the icing you put on a cake.
Right.
The buttercream.
Yeah.
If you have a sweet tooth, drink that. Ooh.
Yes. At first, I couldn't taste it. Like
Oh,
at
the
first,
fizz.
yeah.
Ketchup.
Old Dutch ketchup.
Flavored chip.
Smell like ketchup though.
Like straight
Smell
up
like
ketchup.
straight up ketchup.
Oh my God.
I didn't expect it to be that good.
Tastes like Lay's with ketchup on it.
Okay, wait.
Oh, it's got a bad aftertaste.
Yeah.
Oh.
That junk hit way hard
Get
after.
some sugar after that.
Oh my God.
What else we got? A super passion flaky.
Flaky.
Apple raspberry. Oh, is that a good combination?
Never heard of that. I don't like raspberry either. just.
It's going everywhere.
I don't even want this, but keep. Hold on.
That's actually pretty good. That's really good.
I still haven't tasted it.
You need some cream?
I got some. If I was craving like a Danish, this would settle it. Can you slow down? I feel like you're rushing me. Stop going through it! Dang! Sticky fingers. Alright, let me choose.
Please.
Okay. I like the name of it. I like the look of it. Thrills.
What does it say it tastes like?
Oh my god, it's gum! It still tastes like soap.
Is this what they give to the kids when they cuss or something? Ooh.
You gonna try it with me?
Ooh. Oh! It even smells like soap.
It does.
Oh my god.
First of all, why?
Ooh, it's like a lavender soap.
Moving on.
Why would they eat that?
Maybe this is like the equivalent of like refreshing your breath.
And that was soap. This is Listerine or something.
Okay. Mcintoshes. I'm not gonna like this because it's toffee. How we gonna do this? You take a bite, break a piece.
You can't break a little piece off? Oh, that's, oh.
Just take it.
Oh,
There you go.
there we go.
Yeah, this is okay. I kind of like it, actually, surprisingly. I didn't think I would, but I like it. You don't like it?
No.
Okay. Moving on. Smarties. They got Smarties just like we do.
They're made by Nestle too? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm assuming that they are the
Like
same.
M&Ms.
There's a brown one though. I'm a little worried because I don't think
Me
I've
too.
ever seen a brown Smartie.
They're chocolate. So they're like M&Ms. I'm just making a mess. Agra. M&M.
Yup. It's an M&M.
Chocolate tastes better than an M&M.
The outside, of course, is different from an M&M.
They're a little thicker.
Not my favorite. Okay. Try something else.
Yeah, we got two menus.
Ooh, that's what we got two of. Okay, cool.
This one is, so the last one was the peach, fuzzy
Mhm.
peach. This one is juicy squirts berry.
I would get a box like this with Adrian.
Ooh. These are good. Really good.
Oh, look, they do have the peaches in here.
Is there another one you can find? Oh, there's a raspberry, blackberry. A grape, kiwi.
Ooh,
Oh, that was actually pretty good.
I like the peaches better. The original. I don't like that.
The juice.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It's almost like a gusher.
Yeah, that kind of messes up my palate for the rest of this stuff.
What do we got here? Wine gum. Oh,
Oh, is that gum?
it's made by Maynards too.
Hey.
It tastes like wine, honey. I need some more of these.
Ooh, it's chewy.
Yep.
Well, they got crowns on them. I like these. I don't think it's gum.
So these are like lifesavers, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Contains no wine. Oh, dang it.
They're like, they're like dots. Yeah. Okay.
No flavor. Don't even taste like wine.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. What is next? Might as well do something I know I'm gonna like. Our glossy raisins.
So what's the American version called? Raisinets?
Raisins, yeah. Same thing. Same exact thing.
This chocolate tastes way better.
I really like this.
Very
What's the
creamy.
difference?
It says the best ever.
It does. Okay, I think we got one more thing. And this looks weird. It is a lollipop.
Is it maple flavor?
Yes, it's pure 100% maple syrup.
What a pancake. Just take a little chunk off.
Take a chunk. I don't want that much syrup in my mouth. Here you go.
So this one.
Ain't no taking a chance.
It's hard.
Mm-hmm. It stuck to my tooth.
Tastes like syrup.
I can't taste it. It's stuck on my tooth. There we go.
Okay. Ooh,
It's
dry
strong.
now.
I'm good on that one.
Yeah.
Y'all got that. I stick with my little peaches, like the Georgia peach. Okay.
And little gushers.
Overall, I think I really like this box. So I think that I'm still looking for a favorite. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button so that you get a notification every time I post and you won't miss another snack crate. Thanks again for you guys sharing and commenting and liking all these videos. Don't forget to do the same on this one, and I'll catch you on the next crate.